Welcome to a tour of the Electronic and Electrical Engineering department here at Bath. We're going to have a little look at some of the facilities and laboratories available here that I personally used on my course and you may also use on your undergraduate course. So let's go and have a little look inside. Firstly, we'll have a look at a first-year laboratory. Here you will learn circuit theory, microprocessors, electronic systems design, as well as manufacturing. The first 2 years of our courses really are about building new skills and gaining knowledge, as well as confidence, which can help so much with some of the slightly more challenging projects later on. Here you'll learn how to analyse circuits and use instrumentation, such as an oscilloscope, to take measurements. You'll also get to develop your practical soldering skills when you design, build and test a range of circuits, from simpler resistors and capacitors to slightly more complex diodes and operational amplifiers. Alongside this, you'll explore digital electronics, starting with combining logic gates together, before moving on to using microcontrollers to interface with other components, such as an LCD display. You will learn programming languages such as MATLAB, before then looking at assembly and C, which can be used to program a microcontroller. This can then be used to create functioning digital systems, such as a voltmeter. This is an undergraduate laboratory where you will learn digital systems design. This includes combinational and sequential logic circuits. This is also where second-year students team up to work on the design project, which we call the mouse race. Teams are given the task to design and build a vehicle that has to complete a lap of the track made of a wire with an electric current that the mouse has to follow. The teams then compete against each other on race day to see whose vehicle is the fastest. In the second half of your degree, you will have a group project. This could include the opportunity to join one of the student competition teams. In this lab, we have Team Bath Racing Electric. Here they design, test and build an electric racing car to compete at Formula student competitions, both in the UK and overseas, every year. In your final year, you will focus on an individual project of your choice. This is the Robotics lab. Here we have robotic arms, grippers, depth cameras, as well as many sensors and a motion capture system. Another area that you can explore for your final year project is bioelectronics, and this is the laboratory space dedicated to that. Here we have facilities and equipment to support microfabrication, basic manufacturing processes for lab-on-chip devices, biosensing structures and applications, and an organ-on-chip facility for drug testing and personalised medicine. This brings us to the end of our tour of some of the facilities and laboratories available here that you may use as an undergraduate student at Bath. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you here very soon.